Hi everyone, welcome back to another class on Anderson Language Center, and I'm Bethany Anderson. This is a recorded class today. Usually I'm here on Facebook Live, but today it is recorded. So before we get started, I just want to let you know that there's a way for you to get a message to help you practice your English, and that is called the Weekly English Challenge. And I would love it if everyone would sign up for the Weekly English Challenge. It's free, and you can get it either on Facebook Messenger, in your email, or on WhatsApp. So you just choose whichever one you prefer, and we'll get you signed up. And what you're going to get is a link to each week's video, like the one you're watching right now, along with a homework assignment. Okay? The homework assignment is very important because that is the challenge part. Okay? El reto, el desafío. Okay? So, si quieres aceptar el reto, tienes que inscribirte en el Weekly English Challenge, ¿ok? Y voy a poner la información aquí abajo para que te inscribas en el Weekly English Challenge y para que cada semana recibas tu nuevo reto, ¿ok? Para practicar el inglés. Entonces va a ser una tarea que corresponda al tema del video de esa semana. Okay? So the only way you can get the challenge is by signing up. So I would love it if you would all do that. And so today I just have a little conversation topic for you, and that is something that you can talk about with maybe a coworker or a friend who speaks English, and you can ask them this fun little question. Okay, are you ready? Okay, are you, okay, you start with, are you a night owl? Okay, do you know what an owl is? Owl is a kind of bird. Búho, owl. Okay, are you a night owl? Now, why do we say, are you a night owl? Okay, a night owl is a saying, okay, un dicho, that we say for someone who likes to stay up late at night. Okay, so if you like to stay up until 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning, until you go to bed, then you are a night owl. Okay, a night owl. And I'll make a note of these vocabulary phrases down below also. Okay, so are you a night owl? Or what's the opposite? Lo opuesto de un night owl. Okay. Una persona, a night owl, remember, una persona que se acuesta tarde, night owl. Or are you an early bird? Okay, early, temprano. A bird, pájaro. Okay, now think about it. Okay, los pájaros se levantan temprano, no? Okay, so an early bird is someone who wakes up early in the morning. And probably if they wake up early in the morning, that means they go to bed early at night too. Okay, so if you wake up in the morning at maybe 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, or earlier, you are an early bird. Okay, so just for fun, for a little conversation with a friend or a coworker, you can say, Are you a night owl or an early bird? Okay, so are you a night owl or are you an early bird? Remember, night owls stay up late at night. They go to bed very late. Early birds wake up early in the morning, temprano. Okay, so these are just two sayings that we have for people. It's kind of just a funny little way to say if you go to bed late or you wake up early. Okay, so are you a night owl? If you go to bed at midnight, you would say, yes, I'm a night owl. I go to bed at midnight. Okay, but if someone says, are you a night owl? And you think, oh no, I like to go to bed at 9 o'clock or 9:30. I like to go to bed early and wake up early. Oh, okay, so you are an early bird. Okay, so night owl and early bird. And pretty much everyone knows these phrases, these funny little ways to talk about when you go to sleep at night and when you wake up. So if you want to practice in the comments, you can tell me if you are a night owl or an early bird. And you would say, I am a night owl, or I am an early bird. And then tell me what time you go to sleep. If you're a night owl, that means you go to sleep late. Or if you're an early bird, what time you wake up in the morning. Okay? All right. Remember, I will put a link so that you can sign up for the weekly English challenge. So please do that. I would love to have all of you on the weekly English challenge so you can get the homework and you can get a link every week to these videos. And as always, if you have questions, leave your questions below in the comments. I always love to hear your questions and any topics that you would like to talk about in the future. Okay? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next Wednesday.